YouTube. It's Karis. I told you not to clean that out. I gotta show Buck. Come here.
Oh, he's alright. Buck's making his final walk there. He might have to go pee.
Oh, I mean, there's a car coming, so. Well, gotta show you the mower we got for free that I cleaned the carburetor out on, and runs good now. Here's an example of somebody who doesn't take care of their mower and doesn't really know a whole lot. If you look at that, where's the new one at? New filter. Anyways. Here's the same engine as this one I have here. And here's the comparison. New, and that's what the guy, I mean, if you look real close, I don't know if you can see it, but grime and crap in there. And when we took that deal there, is still kind of dirty. But, you know, you can't get everything perfect. But it is the same engine as the one we have here. So, if you watch my videos and you live in Georgia and you want a mower, $100 to $120. And it has no self-propel. And, did the guy ever call you about the bagger? No. Okay then. What, do you want to throw this away?
Yeah, you probably.
Well, the trash can's behind you.
This thing's empty. The place went empty. Okay. Oh, yeah. There we go.
Let's see if I can make it. Oh. Alright. Well, I'm going to give you guys a startup on this thing. We'll just put the fuel cap on. I'll get it out here. Oh, and the gas leak with this thing, it takes this kind of line. Can't even see it. It's not as thick. Can't even see this stuff. But anyways, the outside edges aren't as thick. We'll double dip, dang, you can't even see it. I would explain it, but you can't even see it, so.
There's no gas in it. Not much gas in it.
Well, we don't have any in the unleaded thing because I told you to get gas and somebody didn't get you gas. Okay.
Get it. You better prop it up. I already did that.
Now I can get some more, it won't hurt it. Point the exhaust this way. Free mower. Out of gas, so it's going to spit. That's good enough.
Works.
That's a pretty good mower there for free. Next is the weed eater. Gotta fix that. Crap, we need to create space in here. Alright. Now, weed eater. Well, that should be enough for this video. Karis, you look like some kind of freak on the camera. And then my dog, my Boston Terrier. Buck. Old man.
Shake. Shake. Shake.
He
Shake.
forgot what it meant.
Shake. Come on. Shake. Shake. Shake.
Oh, there it is.
Thank you.
He's older than Methuselah. That should be good enough for the video. I'll end it on the X mark here.